Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here is what I got for week 3. Yes, it all fitted in that one tiny box. So let's open it up and see. There you go, is the SIGG water bottle. Nothing else inside, no sticker, no nothing. Yep. So let's get a close up here. They use a little wrapping paper with two little stickers here. And I think this logo is the SIGG logo. And it's nice that they use the paper or else the whole bottle will get scratched up. It uses a glossy red finish, but the Supreme wording is in matte finish. So my guess is they use probably one of their generic red bottles and then they just printed Supreme wording on top of it. Regardless how they make it, it does look super clean and it's super sick, to be honest. At the bottom you have the SIGG label. It tells you it's BPA free, don't freeze it. It uses recycled material. Yes, it uses recycled aluminum material, this bottle. And let's open it up and see. Here you have a little coating here. I'm not sure what kind of material they use, brass, copper, whatever. I'm not a chemist, so I don't know the details of those. And on the cap here, it's a plastic cap. It says Swiss made. If you look in the very tiny there, it says Swiss made in the front, and at the back there's nothing. It's made out of plastic, the cap. And the top here you have the SIGG logo with that tiny little cross logo that we saw on the sticker of that wrapping paper. That's all the details you have there. So if you buy one from resale and want to make sure that it's real, make sure there's coating, the matte finish wording, and the bottom label has everything that I have here, then you should be good. So that's all I got for week 3. Let's switch it up and look at my week 1 remaining shipment. So let's start it up with the stickers. The first one we got here is the box logo sticker with the skull print. What's very special about this one is that it glows in the dark. Yes, it's probably the first one that does glows in the dark as far as sticker goes. And the second one is the chicken dinner sticker. They use the same graphic on the skate deck and also on the t-shirt. And there's nothing at the back of the sticker. Looks cool, but I still don't understand why they use that graphic. Now let's look at the third one. Is the FTW sticker. 4 tiny sticker, very minimalistic. I find this one super cool. You can put it anywhere you want. And the last thing is the free gift of 2018 spring summer. It's the poppy seeds. I'm still thinking if I should open this one up and try to grow a plant out of this. I'm not super good with plants, so let me know in the comment section below if I should take this challenge. And now let's move on to the items. I have 3 items right here, and let's start with this one here. We have the stacking cups. It's a set of 4 stacking cups, and they're made out of plastic. To be honest, the price was a little steep in my opinion. I would prefer paying actually a little bit more than what they're charging now, but for ceramic cups. So all these 4 stack up, you have a box logo sideways. So I'm not sure when you put some drinks or maybe want to bring a drink to a friend when they visit you, how you should bring it to actually look cool in it, right? Now let's look at the cup in detail. So you have the red cup here, and again the Supreme looks like it's printed on top, so be careful when you wash it. Don't scrub it too hard or else it might get scratched up and fade. And now at the bottom you have Supreme etched onto the bottom of this. And in terms of weight, it's actually pretty heavy for a plastic cup. Honestly, I would prefer ceramic over plastic, especially at the price that they're charging. I don't mind even paying a tiny bit more, like I said. But yeah. And next up, we'll move on to the duffel bag. Same as all the other bags I've reviewed before, they use a box logo in the middle. They have the overprint on the straps, and they use the same material as all the other bags of spring summer 18. And inside of the compartment, you have the straps with the same overprint, and you have that tiny box logo on the shoulder strap, and you have 2 triangle hooks. And you have a mesh compartment inside if you have anything loose, and on the side you have a handle with a side pocket, which is not super big, just enough for small stuff. You have another tiny box logo right there. On the other side you have another handle with the overprint, same size of the side pockets, no ventilation. In terms of the size of the duffel bag, this is a regular size. They have a larger one this season. I did not buy that one. And that's about it for the duffel bag. Same thing as the other ones. Now the last thing here I have is the skull print deck. Now this deck, it looks 10 times nicer in person than on pictures. All the skulls look super nice, super 3D because of the airbrush painting on it. And it glows in the dark, man. How can you pass on this one? It's probably one of the nicest deck I've seen in the past few seasons. So what you got in week 1 and week 3, let me know in the comment below. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. I have my week 4 shipment on the way, and I'll make a video once it's in, so stay tuned. And I want to thank everyone for your support, and until next time, guys, bye bye.